Welcome back to our channel One to Step, everybody. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And in our channel One to Step, we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can update all your app at once on your Play Store. So it's pretty simple. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move on with the video. Now just remember, it says you can update all your app, but you need to have storage on your phone. If you don't have sufficient storage on your phone, then basically the updates cannot be carried out due to low sufficient storage area. So make sure you have enough storage area to update all of your apps. And remember, you need to have a strong internet connection, because sometimes when you're updating your apps, due to like an unstable internet connection, your network gets stopped in the middle and the update stops. So you also got to pay attention that your internet connection is stable or not. If you have sufficient space and you have fast enough internet connection, then by following the step, you should be able to update all your apps at once on your Play Store. So it's pretty simple. First step, just open your Play Store like you open it normally. So after opening your Play Store, just wait for some time. You should see your, accounts profile picture at the top. So mine is saying oh, so click on it. Once you click on it, a setting icon is going to open up just like this. Now over here, you want to click on manage apps and device. Once you click on manage apps and device, over here a new setting page is going to open up. Over here, here's going to be a update all button. You can click on update all button and all of your app is going to be updated on your device. So it's that simple to update your apps on Play Store. So you can click on update all and your update should start. Alright. So that's how you guys can update your apps on Play Store. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day, and thanks for choosing our channel for watching the video. Stay tuned for future video. Stay safe, everybody. Have a nice day.